sealant. What, where? That'd be why your fucking cases leak, bruv. What fucking sealant? But bruv, have you even sealed these? Imagine I had to actually hit them. Does the bearing come out? Yeah. Here, you want some proof his wasn't tight? Yeah, look. I'm not even gonna fucking nip it. Like, that's finger tight as it's finger tight. Yeah. I'm flabbergasted. It was like they were fucking tight, bruv. Do you get what I mean? Like they were. Right, change of plan. Oh, I'm so done with shoddy mechanics, right? Like, to be honest, I'd say that shaft actually feels okay. Blood? Why the fuck's the bearing? Well, I know, like, he's got only one retainer on it, yeah? But, I can't film it all with one hand. Oh, the fucking bearing's coming out. Here, you want... Look, and that bearings doesn't even... I'm not even gonna fucking nip it. Like, that's finger tight as it's finger tight. Look, and that bearings doesn't even fucking move anymore. This guy who ever built this bike here, Tom Cope or whatever his name is. Like, I actually want to tighten that more. I'm gonna get ratchet here and tighten that more. I'm gonna take that out and put Loctite on that also, which never has it seen, and it's locked. Bruv, watch this. This is the bolt from the other case, yeah. Yeah, it's fucking mint that. And that went before. Oi. There she is, look. These cases pretty much say hello, look. HEO110. Hello. That's funny. Hello. My missus has got to go out in a little while. Beautiful. Oh, hello, appreciate you. Wait, I know that other seals, bruv, obviously it's fuck. But when I start taking this apart, bruv, well, yeah, I'm still doing it. What?